This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, March 14th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. So at 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have some energy moving across Minnesota and Wisconsin. Another piece of energy over the south and west, one moving off the northeast coast, another moving into western Canada. The one over the Great Lakes is producing a little bit of snow activity across Wisconsin, northern Minnesota, and the UP of Michigan, and even northern lower Michigan. But around here, only a few clouds, but mainly sunny skies and highs in the 40s and 50s, maybe a few 60s. Saturday, it'll be a little bit cooler as the frontal system that will be coming through will be through the state. Mainly some mid to upper 30s in the north to maybe lower and middle 50s, even warmer in the south. And then we have a snowstorm or a rain-snow mix Saturday night into early on Sunday. It's a little too early to determine how much snow we could get or if we could get more rain than snow, but it looks to be rather iffy at this point. And then as we move past that system to Monday, winds back out of the south and west. Temperatures for St. Patrick's Day look to be in the mid to upper 30s north to maybe around 50 south. And we have another system coming in here Tuesday into Wednesday, in fact. That could bring some rain-snow mix, changing to all snow on Wednesday. This, like the storm Saturday night into Sunday, could start out as rain, change to a rain-snow mix, and then to snow. It's too early to determine how much of this will be rain, how much will be a rain-snow mix, and how much will be snow. We'll keep an eye on it and give you a pinpointed outlook in coming days. Thursday, that system is off into the Great Lakes. It still remains at least below average going into the middle of next week with readings in the 30s and 40s, maybe near 50 in the southwestern counties with mostly cloudy skies in the northeast, partly sunny or mostly sunny in the south and west. Even next Friday, the flow is sort of out of southern Canada, trough over the northeast, upper level feature off the California coast. High pressure close by at a weak high pressure. Some snow and maybe a little rain-snow mix across New England and the Great Lakes. Around here, it looks to be temperatures from about the mid to upper 30s to mid to upper 40s from northeast to southwest. Going into the extended period, though, it does get a little more active. You can see a big trough over the west and some energy kicking out across Nebraska and Kansas, another hanging back over the west. And this could bring a system across the area. Could see some thunderstorms in the south. This could bring severe weather possibly. Around here we could see rain, snow, about anything about this point. But this is way out there in the extended period. At the end of the forecast on March the 29th, still have a flow coming out of the northwest with a trough over the Great Lakes in the northeast again. And this means the temperatures are going to be below average again. Highs in the 30s and 40s and maybe a little snow across the Great Lakes. A system moving off the east coast with some snow there, maybe rain along the coast, some rain in the Gulf, and some rain and mountain snow in the north and west. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we had a few high and mid-level clouds off to our west. That's with the next front that'll slowly move in later today into tonight. Another storm moving into the north and west. Elsewhere, it was fairly quiet across the country. And that's reflected here on the watch warning map from last evening. A couple winter weather advisories in the Cascades and the Northern Rockies. Freeze warning in quite a bit of Georgia, Florida, southeast Alabama, and to South Carolina. And it's pretty quiet elsewhere. The QPF show precipitation over the next 3 days, because the 5-day was not working. This is only through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing a couple of little precipitation around here, maybe up to a quarter of an inch, mainly in the form of snow, heaviest over the north and west, and across the Gulf Coast and mid-south.